Uh, Hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Arif, and basically by profession I am a banker. I work in bank currently posted in Murshidabad district of West Bengal. Uh, I had a problem of fissure. It was not very old, but around 10 to 15 years ago, I had some issues of bleeding during my stool, and it got recovered automatically. I didn't take any medicine that time, and it got recovered. So I was not worried about it. Then after it happened also around 7 8 years ago also, 1 to 2 days, just, and I didn't took any medicine. It got recovered automatically. But around 6 to 7 months ago, it started causing me some kind of pain during my ball movement, and I took a help of a local doctor here, who was also a MS in master in surgery, and posted here in government hospital in Murshidabad district, and he had given me some medicines and uh, ointments, and asked me to go for sit bath, and I took it for 2 3 days, and it got recovered. It was a case around 5 months ago. It happened. It was okay, but around 25 days again the problem started occurring. Say I had a pain during my ball movement. I had uh, bleeding during my stool, and the severity of pain was increasing day by day. Again, I went to the same doctor and said, "Sir, I am facing those issues, and please take care of me and give me some good medicines." He also given me medicines and said that you will have to bear it and just take medicines and go for sitz bath. It means that you have to sit in the hot water for around 10 to 15 minutes to twice or thrice in a day. I took it, but it was not working. It was painful. It was getting more painful. Then I decided to go back to my hometown, that is Patna, Bihar. I went there to Dr. Saket, who is a doctor in Apollo Spectra Hospital, Patna. And there is also Dr. Abhay Kumar. So after examination of my fissure, they said that you will have to go for a surgery because it is in acute stage, and without surgery it will not be treated permanently. He had given me few medicines also. I took it for 3 to 4 days, but it was not relieving me. It was not any kind of relief for me. The pain was same, and the problem of bleeding was also there. It had been around 10 to 15 days since I had bleeding during my ball movement. Uh, the pain during the ball movement was so intense that I used to cry. I had cried around 4 to 5 times. Literally, I have cried, and whole of my family members knew that. They were looking at me that how much pain from his going on. But then after I contacted Dr. Saket and I said, "Sir, it's getting unbearable for me. What should I do?" He asked me to go for laser surgery. He said that it will be permanently cured only when you will have a laser surgery. So I went to Apollo Hospital, Patna, and took a surgery on 7th August 2021, and got discharged on the next day, same next day, 8th of August 2021, and came back to my home. After surgery, it was very relaxing. After surgery, around 16 to 18 hours, I was in pain because there was a goose in my anus and there was a bandage. But in morning, they removed the bandage, and I felt like it's miracle. The pain, the burning, the sensation that was in my anus was gone. I was weak. I was having uh, issue of operation, post-operation complications like pain, weakness. But the pain that was there severe pain because of acute fissure that was gone, and I felt very good. I came to my home and he had given me few medicines for 5 to 6 days, ointments, sitz bath. I had to just eat liquid kind of foods for 1 week. Then after I got recovered, and today it has been 16th, 17th day. Today is 23rd, so it has been around 16th, 17th day of my surgery. Now I am feeling very good. I have few issues like I have little bit of weakness and uh, but there is no pain during my stool passing and ball movement. It's okay, but still I had to take sitz bath and few medicines are there and ointments also there. So, friends, I would say to all of you that if you are having some kind of issue like acute fissure, so it's better to go for laser surgery rather than taking local medicines, pills, homeopathic, Ayurvedic, Unani. I have also, I have already tried all those things. This doesn't work. The permanent solution for this issue is to go for laser surgery. Once you will have surgery, you will feel like magic. The pain will be gone completely. Mark my word, if you are in Bihar or anywhere, you can get a good doctor, you can get a good surgeon and take appointment for a surgery. Take it, get it recovered. And I was very afraid before the surgery that I will have a severe pain after surgery, and people have written on the internet that you will have no control on your bowel movement, but it's not like that. I have easy passing tools now after the surgery. Before surgery, it was very, very painful. I remember that around 4 to 5 days, I went to toilet for stool, but the pain was so severe that returned back from the toilet. I didn't went for a stool passing. Such was the intensity of pain. But now it's thank God, it's very very much relaxing and very much in good condition. It's recovering still. Doctor has also given me few medicines for around 15 days. It's going on, and I had to go for sitz baths. So I would request and advise to everyone, either be male, female, child, adult, or old man, that if you are having such kind of issue of fissure, I don't know about piles, sorry. So you all should go directly for laser surgery without any hesitation, because the kind of pain that you are going through before the surgery and the kind of pain that you will have to go through after the surgery, that will be not more than 10 to 15% of the pain. Remember, take my words. And if you are having any queries, please write down in the comment box. Thank you. All the best.